body corporates and strata committees have not been keen on adding EV charging to their properties, but a massive installation by Knox Energy is showing the way forward. This is the basement of the Sierra building in Melbourne. It now has 251 charge points, one for every car park, and the most of any building, they say, in the southern hemisphere. The charge points either hang from these bollards attached to the ceiling or are retrofitted into the walls. They monitor who's charging. So EV owners like these Savic and Ioniq 5 drivers pay their fair share. Apartment buildings also no longer need to install hugely expensive new infrastructure, such as new substations, just in case every single one of its charge points is in use. The Knox software shares out available capacity among the EVs on site. And it's also dealt with the fire issue. Insurers, helpfully, are now saying that a properly installed charger is not only better than someone DIYing, but can add to a building's overall safety profile. And that's because things like software that taps into the building's fire management system, like Knox's does. So if someone burns their toast or worse, its charge is completely shut down too.